Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap. Use the Bootstrap grid to put elements side by side. Bootstrap uses a responsive 12-column grid system, which makes it easy to put elements into rows and specify each element's relative width. Most of Bootstrap's classes can be applied to a div element. Bootstrap has different column width attribute that it uses depending on how wide the user's screen is. For example, phones have narrow screen and laptops have wider screen. Take for example, Bootstrap's column MD asterisk class. Here MD means medium and asterisk is a number specifying how many columns wide the element should be. In this case, the columns width of an element on a medium-sized screen, such as laptop, is being specified. In the cat photo app that we are building, we will use column XS asterisk, where XS means extra small, like an extra small mobile phone screen, and asterisk is the number of columns, specifying how many columns wide the element should be. Put the like, info and delete buttons side by side by nesting all three of them within one div class row element, then each of them within a div class column access for element. The row class is applied to a div and the buttons themselves can be nested within it. Okay, in that case, let's look at the code. We have buttons which can be wrapped inside row. So div class equal to row, and afterward we will close it here, div, and each button will be wrapped inside div class equal to column extra small 4, and we will close that div. In similar fashion, we will use div here before putting button here and closing the div, and the last div with a button here and again a closing div. Looks okay. Let's run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.